Hey guys, it is Julie Willits here. I did a live yesterday in my car and I did not have my headset put in, so therefore we had no sound. You know that sometimes technology works against you and sometimes it's the user, which in that case, user error right there. Let me cover this. Yeah, it's a little bit breezy out here today, but I just wanted to do something a little different in the front yard here. So behind me, I have this really cool, beautiful tree, right? And this is something that you are not. So when you're trying to make changes in your life, right? And I don't know what change that may be. It may be something personal. It may be something that you're trying to achieve. It may be a goal you're trying to reach. It could be anything. But if you're not getting there where you are now, you have to make some type of change, correct? And if you do that, so you cannot think of yourself as being stuck like a tree. And this cat keeps hitting this tripod. Okay, she stepped away. So when this is going on in your life, think of this tree. Yes, it's beautiful, it's majestic, but so are you. You are where you want to go. You can do this. You can be anywhere you want to be. And you can achieve things that you want to be because you're not stuck in one spot. You can go and change it, and you can do that today. You can do it tomorrow, but just do it. Don't wait around for something to come to you because it's not going to happen. You're going to be staying in the same spot and stuck like a tree if you continue to live just the way you are and not fulfilling something that's missing in your life. You just have to make that leap. You have to, take and make that effort to make something different happen for you. So I want you to comment below if you're watching. I'm not a tree. Okay, how about that? And then I want you to let me know where you're coming in from so I know who's actually watching my lives. And then if you're trying to make a change in your financial aspect of your life, then let me know that too, because I would love to be able to show you what I am doing and what you can actually duplicate. And there's a big team of us, and we can actually give you all the training you need. You don't have to have any experience. So if you want further information, just comment info, but be sure not to stay in the same spot because you're not a tree. All right, I'll see you guys later on the next video. Bye now.